How to rotate the Ryobi string trimmer head for edges. Now, the safest method is always to remove the battery. Even though we don't go near the business end, it's always safe to remove the battery. So, with the battery removed, what we need to do, on the handle here, you want to press this button down, and this will allow you to rotate the handle. Now, when you hold the handle, now you're flipped over. As you can see, we've now turned our string trimmer into a perfect edger. To put it back, press that button down, rotate the handle, and it's back to a line trimmer. So that's how easy it is to turn your Ryobi string trimmer into an edger and rotate the Ryobi string trimmer head. If you found this video helpful, do me a favour by hitting the like and the subscribe button. But most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.